Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of sending a group page in Facebook Messenger on your PC. If you want to share a group page with your friends, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account. Step 2. Look for the Groups tab located on the left-hand side of your Facebook homepage and click on it. Step 3. Click on Your Groups to view all the groups you're a part of. Step 4. Select the desired group by clicking on it to open the group page. Step 5. On the group page, locate the 3 dots icon and click on it. Step 6. A menu will appear. Click on Share. Step 7. Another menu will appear. Select Send in Messenger. Step 8. Finally, click on Send next to the name of the friend you want to send the group page to. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a group page in Facebook Messenger on your PC. Sharing group pages allows you to connect and engage with your friends in a more interactive way. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.